I'm here again at Rainforest, Pasig. I think I'm the first one who came here. I arrived at 5:10, 5:10 in the morning. I don't see people around yet. Maybe when it's 5:30 or 6 a.m. I'm walking around. Nobody is here yet except me. But the place so quiet, very quiet. The back, that's the gate. I don't know if you look see the gate, but the gate is over there, my back. So quiet, very quiet in the morning. Actually, later it I need to be just the people pass by. That guy is working here. Look at Rainforest. My back. Nobody is behind me except me. Gym. We will pass by the gym now. That's the gym. It's already open. I think the people who work here goes there to log in their time in, of course, because if you don't time in, you're not gonna be paid. There's a boy. Oh, where's the boy? There's a boy who passed by me. Wow. I think there's only few times that I've been here alone. The first was the 17th of January last week, and I go here. Actually, I've been doing this for the 9th day now. I only do this for during Mondays or to Saturday. During Mondays to Friday. Saturday and Sunday, just take a rest. For every week, I try to improve my body conditioning. I added some exercise for this week, but last week I just do jogging and walking around. Look, there's nobody, no people here except me. I think this where they cook. I don't know what they call this place, but I used to see people there cooking foods. I don't know for where or for what. Too dark. Look, the place still dark. Look. This is Rainforest during this time. Actually not this time, but during morning, early mornings, that's how Rainforest is. Heading towards the entrance now. Wow, still quiet. Still walking around, no people. This side, the back of me, this is the parking for the motorcycle. But as you see, no motorcycles here. It's very clean. But I already hit the entrance. Still, I'm alone. You see that? The pavilion. Oh, yeah, that's it. That. See that? Pavilion, the stairs. After I do rounds of my jogging, some walking, I will go up the running back and forth, going up and going down. What I mean. I added that to my routine as exercise. As I said, I'm trying to condition my body. That's why every week I will try to put some exercise, add some exercise. I mean, wow. Rainforest. Still look, just the other side. Wow. Still no one behind. Oh, the cat. I see this cat for 2 weeks now. He's already here waiting for someone. Look. The cat. He always follow me. I don't know why. Just the cat. He always follow me for this past 2 weeks. But I think he's waiting for someone because there's a people here. I was feeling look, still following me. Last week, this one bite my leg. I don't know why, but he did. Nice. Boating lagoon. Oh. This is my second round of walking. 2 more rounds of walking, then I will do jogging for 4 rounds. Then walk for under 4 rounds. Actually, I don't take a rest. My rest is only walking and try to breathe. That's all. No, still nobody. Nobody. But there's a boy at my left, right side. Passing by. I think the boy's parents is working here. That's why he's here too early. Trying to focus. Still nobody except me. Oh. I'm setting because before I came here, I checked already. That's why. Oh, I think it's the guide. It's the guide's son. He's working here. Oh, look. Still, I think there's people already behind me. 2 people. I'm passing by the exit now. Oh. I'm still catching up my breath because, as I said, I just coming here. Oh. Still dark. been walking for 10 minutes already. Still nobody's here. We're driving by the entrance now. Let's see if there's motorcycle already. Still no motorcycle. This one. And still no, there's a motorcycle and some people already. So bye for now. I'm walking to 2 runs again. I'll do my jog. Bye.